Okay. First of all, Nikki Bab, thank you for the time, Dilamran. After a long time, we have seen you, especially in our show. So, 7 months we have been talking. And when you talk about politics, Nikki can't be left away from politics. And you have been making certain statements, coming out with certain issues and all. When you look down at the assembly elections, how is Nikki planning as far as assembly polls are concerned?
See, Nikki is most senior politician. Last 20 years. I was not, when I entered in politics, it was the people's decision. I never had an interest in politics. But it was people who given me opportunity to serve the people as I was serving as considerably as a service work to the people of my constituency. Maybe it was not my constituency exactly, but my neighboring villages. So that was going on, and one happened day. So people pushed me into politics, and I was very happy to serve the people. Okay, and I never have had a malified intention, to come into politics and earn something or make my living like others.
Okay.
Simple as that. Okay, I can go anywhere, in any constituency, any village, and say, I am the clean politician. I don't have a single dot corruption, or ever, I sworn in 4 times, ever single file gone for ACBC for inquiry, anything as such. So that much clean record I have. I can go any constituency and convince the people. It's not like other politicians. Today you have to see those politicians who came in politics along with me. Okay, you see what was their bank balance that point of time, and you see the bank balance of today. You have to see what establishment they have. Okay, from where this money they are generated and giving a luxurious life to their family. I am not one of them. I suffer. I made sure that I made less to my family and served to the people. And it is for me. I'm glad that I have done, and there is no regret doing good service for the people of Goa.
So when you talk about all these things, you have suffered, you are the person when you talk about clean politics and all. So 7 महिन्यांनी assembly elections आसा मिकी बाब. तुमचे plan कितें आसा? ओ मिकी पत्तो contest करतलो कितें?
Mickey politics people knows. See, people also forgets. It is not 11, almost 9 months to go, 8 months to go. Election probably will be month of February or March, because that is the time there are 5 other states also going for election. Bigger state. You talk about Delhi, Punjab, UP, and UP going phase-wise. Even if you say 6 months, 5 months, it's not that you Goa going to have an election first and then wait till the last phase over in UP, and then the counting will be done that point of time. So I don't find that election will take place due time.
Will Nikki contest?
Of course I will contest. See, I am with the public. I am not a person who rely on parties or do anything to the people from party fund or anything. Whatever I do, service, whatever I spend, it is of my hard-earned money. And for me, priorities in my life.
Okay.
You got to understand. First is the God for me, first priority. Then me. I should have good health, that I can see my family. Okay. And then third is my family, and then fourth is my business, and fifth I consider service. You got to understand, if I'm enough healthy, I'll be able to look at my family. If I'm enough healthy, I will be able to look at my business. And if I do any business, good income generate that money, I can serve the people.
Nikki Bab, when you talk about elections, you will contest, you say.
Yes.
Which party?
See, right now, I'm not in Congress. But see, I am born, my family, the Pashego family, only one family in Betalmat in this village.
Okay.
Okay. We known to for a Congress family. Okay. And I still have that in my heart, Congress. But the reason I kept a distance from Congress, I'm not against the Congress. You got to understand. I'm against the people who are in Congress. Yes. And now what happened, you want to understand, that slowly take Congress to almost kabar zale.
So they're not.
And some of them verge of going. Okay. So I'll give you an example. In 2010, what I faced problem in my life, which is not just natural coming, it is what man-made. Yes. And there are few of them that are still in the Congress.
Okay.
And there are few of them left also Congress. And then few of them also, after 10 years, they are just coming.
Trying to come back.
Trying to come back. See, people will decide that.
Okay.
And then, I will give you next 2 weeks' time my clear picture where Mickey Bashir is standing.
But is Mickey that the way you are telling us, tu munta te permanent dista ki tu Congress ak lagi hoita man. Yes, sir.
See, I am very much in touch with Gandhi family.
So tu ka chance padala tu Congress ticket jogatalo.
No, it's not Congress ticket. It is not Congress ticket. Kone mujhe adava dena. See, let me tell you, point blank. Congress ticket mujhe munti kone pada. See, I don't talk with local leaders. I'm local con close. I'm contact. And they know where I'm in touch with the people. I don't disclose my cards to them because there are certain things which I will tell you.
Okay.
Which I will tell you next 2 weeks' time.
No, but your first preference is to get a ticket in Congress. So
it's not get a ticket. It's not get a ticket.
You will get
ticket is not an issue at all.
No, but you will contest. You have to
contest. Yes.
So you are going to contest.
Yes. See, I am today. I am in such a mood. I want to go for election 1-to-1. 1-to-1. It is like Congress and BJP.
Oh.
Okay, that is whole motto.
Okay.
I don't see anything on side and back. I'm not thinking about any up. Up will be last. Again, they might give any rations or anything. I'm telling you, I will come on that. Any regional parties which is in Goa. See, I had discussed in North one time. I discussed in Toto with the Congress leaders.
Okay.
See, if at all alliance going, let them. They want BJP to go. Let them join the Congress.
Not do an alliance.
There is no alliance. There is no. I'm not.
Congress has to go alone.
I'm not in favor of Congress. I discussed this in Toto with Congress leaders. I'm not in mood of going for.
But Mickey Baba, tu aata Congress alone join जाऊना, and then how can you make all such decisions?
See, this is on this decision only I'm going, no.
So ये तो central.
This is my demand.
Demand.
This is what I put up before the Congress family.
So when is Mickey joining Congress then?
So very soon.
How long it will take? 2 weeks, the way you say?
Yeah, very soon. And we are in July. You will see many things in July. Some changes. Many things.
There was a news आशिल्लो की Mickey Delhi असलो central leaders मेळ्ळो and Mickey might take one of a top position.
I'm telling you, just wait and watch. You wait and watch. See, there are things it's all delayed because there are things which need to be sorted out in Delhi with other states.
Okay.
So that I don't want to give. I understand. They understand me very well.
Okay. What about this Mickey Baba? Sadhyaची position in Congress खंय आसात पळय?
See, Congressaचे position. I'll tell you. I'm not a Congress member now.
Yeah.
But I have a very, very close relationship with the Congress family.
Correct.
Okay. Now, see, it's a Congress family. Now, whatever change, there are differences. Then it has to be spoken within the four walls.
By that no.
I'm certainly disagree. People are making statements against each other. Okay. And see, this is not a time for changing the leaders. Okay. Or making allegations against the leaders. Okay. Or party president. This is not a time.
No, but the way आज परिस्थिती पळयत जाल्यार तुका मान्य आसा काँग्रेसाची सध्याची परिस्थिती कितें आसा पळय?
See, I'll tell you, at least Congress काँग्रेस सरकार असताना न्हू समाजीक लोक बारीक समाजीक लोक बरोसो तेका जियेतालो.
आयज कितें जालें तर?
Because this government is such, no, this government is vindictive government. You can't talk anything against this government.
मातसो देखून उलयत जाल्यार तुजें
No, they follow you. They are way of following you. You don't even know. Okay? The minute you close to them, no, they want to know what you are, how you are, what you wearing, what you have inner clothes. They want to know everything. And one point of time, they know what you have and what you don't have. They will want to happen day when you retaliate on whatever they say, you retaliate on their statement. That is the time they put you, fix you up.
ओके आमी म्हणटा तुमी हें तें म्हणटा काँग्रेस समज अलायन्साक वचना जाल्यार काँग्रेस जिखोंक शकता.
Of course, why not?
कशें?
See, one need to convince the people. I have enough time.
6 म्हयने इनफ मिकी
Baba, Miki Pashika 2 mahine puro.
कन्विन्स करपाक लोकांक.
I will see that around 50,000 people will join Congress.
नो ज्या तरेन 10 जाण जिखले 10 जाणांनी उडकी बीजेपीन मारली आनी लोकांचो काँग्रेसाचेर विश्वास गेलो कन्विन्स जाता.
I agree people lost faith on Congress. Okay. See, people like Miki Pashiko. Okay, Miki Pashiko, there was nobody in the Congress.
Correct.
Okay, there was nobody in the Congress. See, the situation as such. Okay, the 10 members left and joined BJP. It is there not about the development. You can see the development. There is no development at all.
Okay.
They are gone for their personal development. That everybody knows. They are going to know.
So 6-7 महिन्यांनी असेंब्ली इलेक्शन जाले जाल्यार काँग्रेस कितले जिखोंक शकता?
I can sure Congress can form the government.
Form
they want
on its own.
See, it is only your frame of mind need how to make people convinced.
Okay.
If people have anything, people left Congress and gone. See, people also know why these people are gone to join the BJP. You got my point. It is not because of development. What is the development? I will tell you. Okay, you just imagine the development in Benami constituency, surrounding my constituency. You see the development in Katani constituency. You see the development in Nuya constituency. Where is the development? I don't see the development. It is development what Miki Pashiko had done. That is what you see.
Do you think so? Local leaders of the Congress party will agree to whatever you say? Because तू म्हणटा आपण सेंट्रल लीडर लागता आपण लोकल लीडर.
Congress leader उरल्या गोंया. And one should have the trust. No Congress leader just trust असपाक जाय no. I will see. I will disclose my cards. Okay, appropriate time.
What happened?
I will tell you what I had given a submit report of Goa. Okay, my independent report.
Okay.
Okay, I know it. I don't want to disclose. If you want, I will show you. I will show you the independent report what I sent. Okay, and whom I address. But I don't want to disclose because there are certain Congress who's like, who hardcore Congress. Okay, they know Baba Miki is doing something for Congress.
Sadhyak Congress in.
See, now everybody making a statement against Girish. I certainly disagree.
Why?
This man is been there in the Congress from to time until today.
No, but आयच्या पोझिशनाक आता कितें जाला पळय तें कांय ना तुका.
No, see, हांव तुका सांगू. See, I don't blame Girish. See, as a Congress soldier, okay, the position given to him as a Congress, because bad time, good time, he's there. You agree with me? And everybody will agree with me.
Okay.
Now, all today, whoever making a statement against him, they are from back door, front door. They deserted the party, went and from other party, come back again. But not Girish, right? The High Command certainly have to keep at least some faith in Girish. Because Girish is there all these years together.
आता 2 फावट रेजिग्नेशन दिले, एक्सेप्ट जाले वा ना जाले कांय खबर ना.
No, that is
ZP polls कितें जाले.
No, see, I understand.
You don't.
I agree.
काल 7 दिनात देखून accounts
I agree with you. I agree with you making a statement. See, it is rather than having a dispute among. Now at this point of even if I am in such a position, if someone drowning in Congress now, and if you considerably like Girish is drowning, I am the one who will hold his and save his life. That is my whole agenda now. Rather than changing the leadership, this is not a time. It is going to take time. It is going to have a fight among themselves. So my problem is here. I could easily understand all the senior leaders. They don't respect him. They don't respect him.
Okay.
For why they don't respect him? Because they know also he have good, good relationship, at a high government level. Okay, that is one. They think, okay, we being senior politician, we are there sideline and given the position to him. I agree, you are more senior politician, but your sincerity is also counted.
Oh. So
I know they are elected members in the Congress, okay. I understand they are more senior in the politics, but there is sincerity
Mickey
within the Congress. That is counted.
Mickey Baba, it is surprising that Mickey आपणाचे इलेक्शन कशें झगडटलो कशें करतले तें चिंतून आयज चडसो काँग्रेसाचो मोग दाखयता हाऊ इट इज सो
Because I am a congressman. I'm from born Congress. I don't know if you agree or disagree. In 2010, I was fighting for Congress ticket. I mean 2002. See, me, Babush Mansurat, we all was camping in Peter Bas, late Peter Bas. We all were camping in Delhi for Congress ticket. So I met Madam Sonia at least 3 occasions. She called me, and what happened is I said, I'm still sitting on Madam here in Delhi, waiting your word. She said, Mickey, how can I deny the Congress ticket to our senior leaders? I said, okay, Madam, fine. You should have told me. I said, Dhanyavad, and I came back, and I contested the election.
So now Mickey is fully ready to come back to Congress.
See, it's not only back to Congress. I'm telling you.
Change the whole political scenario.
After 10 years, what I had gone through, whole gone of what I had gone through, what bad time I had gone through, what problem I have to face, my family had gone through. My son was just 6 years old when I gone through. Today my son is 17 years old, my elder son. Okay, I have my family back up all the time. My wife stood by me. Okay, so after going all this hurdle, okay, which is man-made hurdle, I'm still strong. I'm living good life with my family.
So finally, when you are still strong, everything, Congress and OSPA can 2 weekani hoita, eka weekani hoita.
See, in this month you will see. I will have warm welcome at the airport only. You see. The days are becoming very close because there are certain things at the center, certain things are working other states also, especially in Punjab issue there. Okay, so I'm just waiting for Punjab issue.
What about Mickey? What do you have to say about this this other political parties? Like you have Goa Forward, you have NCP, where you have been once upon a time. You have other Aam Aadmi Party.
See, I'll tell you. First. I'll start with local parties. You talk about Goa Forward. Goa Forward people won't trust them unless they come and join, merge Congress. Because in 2016, the municipal election, same Gathbandhan they did with Margaon MLA. 2017, they deserted and they joined to saying, okay, Parikar government. Prior to Parikar, they were accusing Parikar, and then they formed the Parikar government. When Pramod Sawant became chief minister, he knocked them out. Okay, took those 10 people. Okay, see tomorrow. Again, that will be the same thing.
Okay, what about NCP?
No, I'm telling tomorrow Vijay will say, okay, see, we have a problem with Pramod Sawant. Tomorrow, any other chief minister will support. See, my point is straight. If they want BJP to go home, they should merge. Otherwise, I don't trust or Goa will not trust them. Giving alliance with Goa Forward, people will not trust them. Now, I will tell you, I am against alliance. I will tell you. I already told leaders that I am not in favor of alliance.
But तुझे उल्लेले political तू उल्लेले Congress leaders आए कौन जाएंगे?
Congress leader आहा बोले हैं.
गोयन आहा बोले.
आहा बोले बाबा.
कौन उतना?
I don't see them. I don't see the oppositions are strong enough to make a statement against this government.
Digambar Kamath उगे रहा था.
See what Digambar Kamath going to do?
पहले समझते he wants an alliance with Goa.
See, I can understand. Their alliance, it has happened earlier, it happened in now 2021 also, and you don't know what is going to, it happened 2016, what happened 2017, you know. This happened 2021 to 2021. Again, you don't know what is going to 2022.
So have you told Congress High Command saying that alliance should not be total?
I put my, see, as I told you, I have here, I will show you, I had given a complete independent report.
Okay.
Complete 8 pages.
8 pages report.
With 40 constituencies.
Okay.
Okay. See, I told them, see, Congress is a known party across India. Okay. The minute you surrounding, you are giving an alliance, that seat is you surrounding to other party where your workers, your Karyakarta, Congress, they are disappointed.
Miki who contest kottalo.
See, I am open. I have no problem contesting in Benauni or Nume. I will contest anywhere. See, I know.
Which is the first choice for Miki?
Miki, just see, I want to always fight against the stronger contender, whoever be.
Who is it?
I don't see.
No, you must have thought somebody is
I have so many things.
Like whom? Ek naam to sang de.
I might contest in Nume. I might contest in, I want to see the opponent.
Contest again in Benauni.
I will tell you. I will use
Nume to tum Alex Sikhe raha. Alex Sikhe raha.
I don't see Alex Sikhe. See, after 10 years, the last 2017 election, he announced that he is retired. He announced he retired. Okay, and he said he did not even support the Congress candidate last year. He was supporting some other party. Okay, inside. So now after 10 years, he is coming out and giving these goodies. Goodies from, see, those goodies I have been serving right from 1999, boss. I'm doing it, that service, I'm doing it from my hard-earned money. I'm not doing it in the name of the party. I'm doing it from Miki's hard-earned money. Today I'm not making an allegation, but I'm making a statement. It's just because of some handful people who ambitious people who, just because of election coming up in the next 9 months, they start giving goodies. All this traditional function, our traditional festival been coming all these years.
So, Falyat, tum Congress tum Alexa's ticket ditalo.
See, what I have in my mind, I'll tell you, and what I had discussed.
No, but are you against giving tickets to such type of people?
See, there are so many young people who work for Congress. There are so many of them.
So,
you tell me, when people are there retired from politics, how can you just talk about coming back? People know that you retired.
So you retire, you don't come back.
I don't see, because he claimed if he's doing a service for the party as a retired, I could say, hey, welcome.
Okay, one more thing is that what about Benauli? Miki Kazuni Benauli to Moga Sao.
I'll tell you, Benauli is my heart. My heart is there. My people, the Benauli people, they said, Miki, you don't have to do nothing. You only contest. You only contest in Benauli. We want you in Benauli.
Tu Chachila Shadetalo?
Huh?
Chachila Shadetalo? Shadong Shakta?
Chachila career, political career, Udela, Tamiki Pachaka in 2012. That will record Udopala. But I don't know. Ani Lakaku Hobora. This other story is I feel easy. I don't want to make any statement against this old age now. He's old age. I don't want to make a statement.
He's a good person.
See, good person. See, one point of time, initially when he came in the politics, of course we are all friends and we supported. Time passing by, I realized what his motive. Okay, and then I stopped. Okay, see, there are people who have, who know what to have to be, what Gwarka is.
Miki, but one important thing as I'm talking about, AAP is also saying we are strong, we are we are becoming strong day by day.
I'll tell you. I will come because there's other parties also. I want to make a statement here. AAP is a party who came up in a political area, okay, along with Anna Hazare, by going against the Congress government. Today, these two people who was, gone hunger strike unto death. These are the people who are responsible whole India today. What India is facing. Okay? I'm making statement here. See, I want to tell you, the AAP started giving all this ration across certain states, say like Goa, say like Punjab, say like Gujarat, say like Delhi. You tell me, I want this fund, what they are spending, okay, and the amount they are spending, if you go to take the statistic and see the amount they are spending on electronic media or publicity, okay, electronic media, again I am making a statement, electronic media and publicity, you take the statistic and see no any other state spending so much money. I want to make a statement here, from where this money coming from. As a party fund coming from, I will tell you, this our party should come up with a white paper from where this money coming, all this money coming from where. Now that Raghav Chadha is here, okay, Raghav Chadha is in Goa, I will challenge him. I am challenging him. He still did not have a wisdom tooth, political wisdom tooth. I am challenging him, okay. Let him come with a white paper from where this fund coming, okay. These is destabilizing our country. This our party is destabilizing our India, okay. This is, if they don't see, let them file a defamation case against me. I want they to file defamation case against me, okay. And I'm making a statement. They should come on white paper. Okay. From where this money coming? From where this money coming? Now they are giving, see, pandemic from 2020, when really people, now in Goa, it's a curfew. There are shops, the groceries are open. People are working, some people are not working, but this 1 month you are giving a ration. What about the remaining 9 months? Election period, are they going to give every month the ration? What happened the last year, 2020? When people were really needed, day to day people was having, they want their day-to-day meal, they could not afford. They used to go and borrow money or borrow things from other people. The minute they step out, they used to be beaten up by the police. No, I will come up with this. I will come up with the AAP. I am making again a statement here. Okay, AAP is a political party which come from IRSI. I'm telling you, let them make a,
What do you have to say about MGP now?
Let them come with a white paper.
What do you have to say about MGP?
See, MGP is like they have like MGP is known for certain constituencies because it is a very old outfit, political outfit, and they are known. But see, every last 20 years, I mean, politics, they are the one who, wherever the wind blows, they go. That means wherever the power goes, they will go.
Okay.
The MGP is known for that.
So finally, how long it will take for Mickey to put Congress into order?
See, it is not Mickey. Mickey will take support of all the present MLAs or the members. Okay, the entire their office bearer. Okay, it is the unity. I will only use my strength even by getting them united. Okay, get them back together. Okay, see, everybody fighting cricket, the people who have wishes to contest. You got to understand. It is people who have to throw you in the ring to see your good work. And it is not your desire, it is not you fulfill your ambition. It is people who have to push you with your good work, and then kind of things happen. Otherwise, if you go according to your mind, according to what you have in your mind, that doesn't work.
Okay. Anyway, Mickey Bab, time dilo म्हणून thank you.
I will use my all the resources this time. I will use my maximum all my resources to see that things
always comes full. Thank you, Mickey, very much. Thanks very much.